What's up YouTube and welcome back to another episode of It's Food Dude. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my Valentines strawberries. And they're super cute. They have sprinkles and pink drizzle. And so if you like how that sounds, let's get started with the video. You're going to need some Candy Melts. This is the brand that I use. This is the best brand. It's strawberries and cream flavor. You're going to need some Skewers or Toothpicks, sprinkles of your choice, a piping bag, and of course your dried beautiful strawberries. So I have my parchment paper here. I'll put this on one side, and then I have my Ems candy that I melted. The consistency should be like this. Should be very nice drizzle. It shouldn't be clumpy. It should be very nice drizzle. If it is clumpy, you can add a little bit of vegetable oil. So, set this aside. Got my strawberries. I'm going to stick this at the end of the skewer, just so that it's easy to hold like this. You can do this with toothpicks or you can do it like this. And then got our Meltums, and I'm just gonna tilt my bowl at an angle and dip that in there all the way 360. So it looks like this, and then I'm going to put the excess on my parchment paper, and then you can take the skewer out when you're done and reuse it on your parchment paper. So this is what first one looks like. So I'm going to keep on doing that. I'm going to put my skewer in, dip my strawberry. The skewer just makes it so you can grasp it fairly easy. And I'm just doing a little wiggle, 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 shake, and dunk it. And then I'm going to do another one. You want to make sure your strawberries are dry so that chocolate doesn't seize up. And while this is still wet, we can go ahead and choose the sprinkles of your choice. I got these ones and these ones. I'm going to do these ones. I'm going to just put a little bit in my hand. This one's cute. It has a cute little heart on it. I like that. So I might just put this in the middle like that. And then put some sprinkles around it. And I might just do these ones like one side because not everyone likes sprinkles. And they don't have to be perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to keep on going with the other ones. So I'm putting the toothpick in the center. Got my chocolate. Dunking it in here. Okay, so now I melted some white chocolate in the bowl, and I just did that in 30-second intervals. And I'm getting my small plastic piping bag, which is a 12-inch disposable bag. You can get this from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, pretty much any craft shop. And I'm just going to put my white chocolate in there and cut the end of the tip off. Okay, so now that our drizzle is ready to go, I'm going to kind of test this out on the parchment paper to see if this is the kind of drizzle that I want. And that one was a little bit thinner than I would like, so I'm going to cut the hole a little bit bigger. And now in a back and forth motion, you're just going to start from the end of the strawberry and drizzle all the way until the leaf tip. And now that my strawberries are done, we're going to move on to packaging. I got this cute little box from Dollar Tree, and I also got some little shredded craft paper that I'm going to stuff in the inside of my box. So you can get this from Michael's, you can get it from Dollar Tree. I normally like to look at Dollar Tree first just because I'm very cheap, and Dollar Tree normally has almost everything that I'm looking for on a budget. So I stuffed that in there, and then I also did end up getting some baking liners. And those ones were about $1.25 at Dollar Tree as well. But you can get those from Walmart for about 75 cents. Or even Hobby Lobby sometimes has the 50% off Valentines sale. And here's my final product. Thanks everybody for watching. If you liked it, give it a fat thumbs up, a juicy thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. You can comment down below and do all that good stuff. And the more likes we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos I can make. So thank you. See you next time. Happy Valentine's Day.